Hey guys, going to do Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls today. The original song is played with some obscure alternate tuning, the way I'm going to teach you how to play it, which is a lot better for just the strummer and singer, which is what I like to try to do on the channel, take songs and kind of dumb them down, make them easy for you to just play acoustically. So capo's going to be on the 7th for this. It is going to be kind of tight, but it's a very basic progression and it sounds really good. So there's kind of two progressions here. There's 2 3-chord progressions. Number 1 is going to be a G chord. Then that's going to go to kind of like an A minor 7. Essentially, it's going to be 2nd fret on the D string. You're going to be open on your G, and you're going to be 3rd fret on your B, and you play the high E as well. It's like A rooted, so you're going to play it from the A string down. And then you're going to finish with a C add 9. So G to this A7 to C add 9. Okay, then from there, we're going to an E minor, a D minor, which the way we're going to play it for this is going to be B and high E are going to be on the 3rd fret, and then you are going to be on the G string on the 2nd fret. And then you're coming back from, so E minor to that D minor, back to the C add 9. So both these progressions end with a C add 9. They're 3-chord progressions. The first one, the G, A7, C add 9, is going to only be played during the verses, and it's going to alternate with that other progression. Then on the chorus, it is just that 2nd progression, that E, D minor, C, which it's super easy. I'm keeping my high E and B on the 3rd fret the entire time. So with that progression, I'm just going E minor, and then I'm coming to the D, and then C add 9. So it's like very little finger movement. So it's very easy to play this. So I'm going to kind of just go through it, singing the chords, right? So it starts with that G to A to C progression. So it's G, A, C add 9. Now it switches every other. So now it's E, D, C add 9. Again, they're both ending on that C add 9. So E, D minor, C add 9. G, A7, C add 9. E minor, D minor, C add 9. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. If you don't like the G, A7 one, you really can play this whole thing with just that E minor, D, C progression. You really can do the whole song like that. But then when we get into the chorus, that is the entire progression. And I, E, D, C, E, D minor, C, E, D minor, C. I just want you to know who I am. And then the little fills in between. But I mean, that is, that's really it. There's not a bridge in this song. So it's that simple: E minor, D minor, C add 9, capo 7th. Then you do have the G, A7, C add 9 as part of the verses. But if you don't like that, you can just play it that way the whole time. So one of the best soft rock songs of the 90s. And pretty recognizable by everyone. And I always had a tough time trying to play it because I would try to play it the way the Goo Goo Dolls played it. So I found this way a little while ago, and it just makes it super easy to play and sing along to the song. So hope you enjoy, hope you learn how to play it, and hope you sing it to someone soon.